Yeah, let us see what was the question given here. What did they have mentioned here? If you have a y is f of x cube and z is g of x power 5, then f dash of x is tan x and g dash of x is secant x. Then what they're asking? They're asking us to find the, you need to find the limit of x tends to 0 dy by dx. Agree? First of all, let us try to differentiate the function. Let me show you how to do. Okay. So first of all, what we have? It is given that what is y function? Y is nothing but f of x cube. Agree? What is its derivative? So try to differentiate this one with respect to x. So what I'll be getting here? Dy by dx will be, what is f of x derivative? We know that this is f dash of x cube, and x cube internal derivative will be what? 3x square. Is it okay? Yes. So and what we can say here? This is f dash of x. Okay, fine. So from this, what we can say? Actually, I can write it as, check the question carefully. We have f dash of x. F dash of x is what? This is tan x. Similarly, if I give you f dash of x cube, wherever x is there, I have to replace with what? Simply x cube. So this will be tan x cube. Is it okay? So actually, I can write it as dy by dx is nothing but 3x square will be as it is into f of x cube. What is this f of x cube? That will be tan x cube. So simply take it as a tan x cube. Is it okay? Take this as a equation number 1. If you have any doubts, you just let me know. Okay. Yes. So now let us consider the second one. What we need to consider second function. What they have given? Z. What Z? Z is nothing but z of x power 5, right? This is nothing but z of x power 5. Is it okay? So I'll be doing this one. This is x power 5. So try to differentiate this function also with respect to what? With respect to x. What I'll be getting here? Dz by differentiate this with respect to x. So what is the formula for g of x? G of x derivative will be g dash of x. So same thing I'll be applying here. This is g dash of x power 5. What is x power of 5 derivative? 5 times x power 4. Agree? And you need to check one more thing. What is g dash of x? G dash of x is secant x. So we know that g dash of x is secant x. What happened to z dash of x power 5? Wherever x is there, we need to replace with x power 5. Same thing I'll be applying here. So dz by dx value will be what? 5x power 4 will be as it is. This one, what I will do here, let me change the color so that we can have, you can understand this one. So what I will do here, this is nothing but secant x power 5. Is it okay? Yes. So now come to the question. They are asking about dy by dx. You need to find, then we need to apply the limit to that, and you have to divide by x. So do one by one. Take this as a equation number 2. Let me zoom out. Okay. So now consider, what is that? We want dy by dx. Sorry, dy by dz. Dy by dz. Actually, this is nothing but what? Dy by dx times like by dz by dx. Is it okay? This is the formula. So what we can do, dy from the equation number 1, I can actually write it as 3x square. This is tan x power 3 by what it will be? 5x power 4, and this will be secant x power 5. Is it okay? Yes. So if you have any doubts, you just let me know. This is 5. Yes. So from this numerator and denominator, actually I can cancel something. What I can cancel? X square. So this x square, if this cancelled means I'll be left with what? 2x squares. Is it okay? Yes. So finally I got dy by dz is nothing but 3 times tan x cube by 5 times x square. 2x or left. Why? Because 2 more or cancel with the numerator into this is secant x power 5. Is it fine? What should we do? We need to find the limit x tends to 0 dy by dz by x. So now let us consider. Therefore, we want limit x tends to 0 for dy by dz whole divided by x. Agree? So the same thing I'll be applying here, which is limit x tends to 0. What is dy by dx? Take it as the equation number star. What is dy by dz? Sorry, dy by dz. So this is 3 times, this is tan x cube, okay, by 5x square into this is secant x power 5. Is it okay? Whole thing you need to divide with what? Divide with x. X means what? I can write it as a x by 1. Is it okay? So from this, what we can say? So try to write it down. This is limit x tends to 0. Actually, I can take, see, listen carefully. 3 by 5 is a constant. So simply can I take it out? Yes. So try to take it out. If I take 3 by 5 outside, what I'll be getting here? Let me write it down. Numerator will be tan x cube. Denominator will be x square into secant x power 5 times reciprocate the denominator, that is 1 by x. Is it okay? Yes. So what is secant means what? Okay, let me rewrite the whole thing here. This one I can write it as 3 by 5 times limit x tends to 0. This I can write it as a tan x cube. X square into x will be what? X cube. This secant is there. Simply I'll be writing in the form of a secant x power of 5. You can ask me, ma'am, why are you writing? Because if I have a by bc, actually I have a right to a by b times 1 by c. Is it okay? Everything is in multiplication. Why? Because if you know in the limits we have seen limit x tends to 0, tan x by x value will be what? This will be always 1 here. Agree? And one more thing, what is secant 0? Secant 0 is also what? This will be 1 alone. Why? Because we know that cos 0 will be 1. Is it okay? Reciprocal of that. So from this what we can say, 3 by 5 will be taken out. This whole thing, okay, this will be 1 times 1 by secant 0. What is secant 0? That is also 1. So 1 by 1 will be, sorry, 1 into 1 will be 1. So 3 by 5, what is that? This is the value for the function. What is that? Limit x tends to 0. We are having dy by dz by x. This is the value of that. Is it okay? Yes. If you have any doubts or if you feel like anything you are not understanding, if I'm going too much fast, you just let me know. I'll help you with that. Is it okay? Yes. Thank you.